The regular soaps, shower gels, laundry detergents, dishwasher detergents, all of them not only poison the environment, but in addition they get absorbed in our bodies in quite big quantities. For example, you put anything on the skin, the skin absorbs it. Also, we absorb some of the remaining residues on the dishes and the clothes on which we have used these detergents. That's why it is very important to use something natural. And by natural, I don't mean the regular natural cosmetics they sell, because that is, well, if you read the ingredients, they don't sound natural, and there is always some note that our natural cosmetic is only this and that many percentage only natural. And we know that all shop organic and natural things are with distorted definitions. So that's why I'm very happy to share with all of you that I made and tested practically free soap made of ashes and rainwater, and tested it, and it works very, very well. I got it tested as a shampoo and for body shower, and it's just perfect. It foams a bit, not much, but is very tough on anything dirty, also on oily dishes or very dirty clothes. It works actually a bit better than the regular detergents. And somehow I noticed it works faster. Like with the detergents from the shop, you need some time to soak the clothes in that, and after that the dirt will come out. But with this, it's almost instant. I used a very simple recipe. I just soaked in a bucket. The bucket was half full with ashes. I just added rainwater to the brim. Just stirred it a couple of times, and then I have to run it through the strainer, but a very, very fine strainer. They recommend in the recipe which I found to use cloth, but extremely fine strainer can be used, and the result is crystal clear yellow or orange liquid. It does have an earthly smell of ashes. That's why it is a good idea to add some natural essential oil. So that is the recipe for liquid ash soap, and on the internet you can easily find many recipes for making hard bars of soap out of ashes. And then when you use it, you should put quite a good amount. Like, for example, for a laundry load, put at least 100 milliliters of the liquid. For hand wash, use, let's say, a couple of tablespoons. Actually, nice soaps, they can be made of many plants, but that is kind of more difficult. Either they're hard to find or very expensive, or one needs to invest time and energy to grow them. But with hardwood ashes, it's just my first try, and it's really, really easy. This is also a very practical video with interesting test. The lady tested different soap recipes with ivy. I didn't do that much of proper comparative testing as her, but in overall, this is my first try with making homemade soap, completely natural. And it worked far better than expected, and it smells very, very nice, because the essential oil is no longer greasy, but instead of that it gets dissolved, and the scent remains on everything. So I'm very happy with my first trial to make soap. And now the next step is I will make a separate system for the wastewater that comes from the dishwasher, from the sink, from the bathtub, because I'm gonna use this soap now for everything, and that water I will put in a hose, and it will water automatically the garden, because here the drought is tangible. It has never been so bad. So I will leave the comments section opened in case somebody has tried making any other interesting soaps or toothpastes, of course, all with natural, easy to find ingredients.